Okay, who would like to wake up and be ready to leave the house without doing anything? Wouldn't we all? However, I thought I would show you today that I have just put on my base and I have done some concealer with our gorgeous new creamy concealers. Love them. They just lift the eye area. And then I thought just to show you how easy it is with our amazing bronzer. Love this. It's such a multifunctional product and I'm into anything that's multifunctional, because if you're paying for something, I like that it can do 1, 2, 3 different things. So it can be a blush, can be a bronzer, but it's also a quick, easy eyeshadow if you're in a really big hurry. It can lift. It can also be for contouring if you want to lift around the jawly area. And all you do is put some on the side of your brush, do the little fish face, obviously at yourself in the mirror, and then lift. Up around the hairline, and if you are someone that has your hair off your forehead, go down here. It's like you are putting it where the sun would kiss your face, and that is 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can just really blend it in. The best trick I can give, or tip I can give anyone with makeup, is to blend, blend, and blend, because blending is all it takes sometimes to make something. If you might think you've put too much of something, blend it in a bit more. So you can see there that I have put on only on one side, and I'm just going to show you now with our creamy cameo blush. These are so handy, tiny little thing that I'm not going to take up much room in your bag. Just get a little bit on your fingers, do the fish face again, and touch your cheekbone with the product. And we can all find our cheekbone and blend it into place. Just going across to the apple. Sometimes the best tool are your own fingers. If you feel that you need to blend it into place a little more, and that is so much better looking than the other side that has nothing. It just makes you ready for the world. So I hope that helps, and I just used a couple of products, not hard at all. Blending, a good brush, and just makes such a difference. So I just thought I'd quickly show you that.